Good morning, Bangkok. Welcome to another travel vlog. Today is August 5, Tuesday, and we're still here in Bangkok, Thailand for our second day of this trip. Ang first agenda of today is to go to Jack's Rail Slow Bar. Para siyang small cafe sa tabi ng train tracks. And then after that, we'll go to Chinatown and Songwhat. No specific plans on those areas, but I do have some places saved. Pero kung saan na lang natin matripan pupunta later, then doon tayo pupunta. And then for tonight, I'll go to Icon Siam. Kasi doon yung dinner na plan kong puntahan, which is yung food court na maraming Thai food. Yun. Nandito ako sa sahig kasi dito lang yung magandang ilaw dito sa hotel, and also ito na lang yung part ng hotel room ko na medyo malinis pa. Kasi nandun lahat sa side, doon yung gamit ko. And I even had to turn off some of the lights because ang kalat ng ilaw. But yeah, that's pretty much it. I hope you guys come along with me. And we still have a few more days to go. This is our second day. We'll be staying here in Bangkok, Thailand for 1 week. So that's exciting. I still have a lot of things that I want to do. But focus muna tayo sa mga plano natin for today. And yeah, that's pretty much it. I think I can start walking na to the cafe. So this is what Pratunam looks like in the morning. Marami na rin palang bukas na restaurants, shops and restaurants. Bukas na yung food court to 8 o'clock. Sige, pag walang pagkain sa saan tayo bibili. Hi guys, so sarado pa yung Jack Rail Slow Bar. Nahanap ko na siya. Malapit na siya sa hotel. Walking distance lang. So, ang ginawa ko, since sarado pa siya, pumunta mo lang ako 7-Eleven. Bumili ako nung sikat na toasted sandwiches nila. Actually, may ganito sa Pilipinas. And alam nyo ba, yun yung lagi kong go-to breakfast ko nung senior high. Up until college. Pag wala na ako maisip na kainin, sa 7-Eleven bumili ako nung triple cheese na toast. And parang similar lang din naman siya. Dito ako nakaupo sa may tabi ng sleep station. Ito isa sa mga chinek kong accommodations. The thing about this accommodation is kaharap na niya mismo yung market. So medyo busy. But if that's okay with you, then okay ata tong sleep station kasi mura. Alam ko mura yung accommodation sila dito. Pero yun, sige, kain muna ako. Ang binili ko pa is ham and cheese. Also, I noticed na marami nang bukas na kainan dito sa may Pratunam area kahit before 8 a.m. So, if you're staying in this area, hindi ka mahihirapang maghanap ng parang kung sa kakakain ng breakfast. So, maraming options. Hello! So, I'm back in my hotel room kasi after ko kumain ng toasted sandwich sa my sleep station, pinalikan ko yung Jack's Rail Slow Bar Cafe. And sarado pa rin siya, and parang wala akong makitang signs na magbubukas siya anytime soon. So, bumili na lang ako ng iced coffee dun sa yung mga naglalako lang sa tinda, sa kanto. And kung kahapon, parang espresso yung kinuha ko. Tapos, may condensed. This one naman yung parang Nescafe version. And this is 40 baht. Masarap siya. Isa mahilig sa 3-in-1. Sana may ganito din sa Pilipinas, no? Para naman pag nag-crave ako ng iced coffee, hindi laging cafe yung option. And then, bumili ako ng parang tawag dito. Hindi ko alam kung tawag dito actually. Pero parang siyang fried donut. Tapos mayroon siyang kasamang dip. And this is most likely parang condensed. Naalala ko na. Parang siyang churros. Parang churros. Churros? Ganyan, parang fried batter. Tapos may sasaw ko siya. Mulo. Yun nga, parang churros. So, ang plan ko, dadalhin ko to and yung coffee dun sa food court, tapos dun ako kakain. Kaso, parang dapat ibibili ka muna ng pagkain sa kanila, sa mga stalls dun sa may food court para makaupo ka dun. And nahiya na ako. So, malapit lang naman yung hotel. At least dito, yung aircon. Hindi ko alam kung anong gagawin ko next. Baka magpunta na akong Chinatown. Hi guys, I'm currently here in Chinatown. Nag-angkas na lang ako papunta dito, or more accurately, nag-bolt ako papunta dito. Nagmotor ako kasi walang tumatanggap sa akin na sedan or yung car. I'll just explore this area and then I'll bring you guys with me. Let's go. Hi guys, so nandito ako ngayon sa Baohao Tianmi. Sikat to na dessert place here in Chinatown. So Baohao Tianmi, I'm probably butchering that pronunciation. But they mostly serve pudding, drink, and toast. Screenshot nyo na lang, charot. I'll probably just ask kung ano yung bestseller nila. Charot. May nakita akong peanut butter pudding, so I might get that one. Or I'll get banoffee pudding. Parang masarap din yung pandan kaya. Ang cute ng menu nila. Parang sarap iuwi. Charot. I'll order lang and then balikan ko kayo. Hi guys, so dumating na yung order ko. Order ako ng coffee pudding. Hindi pa kasi available yung bestseller nila. Parang aabot daw ng 30 minutes. Yung bestseller nila is yung boba milk tea pudding. And I got the coffee instead. Puro kape tayo today. Yung mga nakapilang pupuntahan ko for today, puro cafes din. So, good luck to me. At sige, test natin. Guys, yung damit ko, hindi ko in-expect na ganito siya kabukas pagsuot. Napagbigyan nyo na. Medyo masyado akong exposed. But, yeah, let's try. Hindi ko alam kung paano dapat ito kainin. Pero I'm assuming na kailangan mong i-break yung top. So yung pudding, coffee flavored siya. Pero hindi siya super tamis and super tapang. Sarap. Perfect to kapag mainit tulad ngayon. But I feel like mas perfect to if like may kasama kayo. Kasi parang hindi ko ito mauubos. Alam niyo yung nauusong parang mga taho dessert sa atin ngayon. Parang siyang ganun. Parang dapat niya hinahalo muna siya bago kainin. Kasi ngayon mas na-appreciate ko na siya. So, parang haluin yung whipped cream, yung parang coffee sauce, and then yung parang candy na coffee sa taas. Tapos magiging na siyang parang bingsu halo-halo, taho, ganun. Ano daw, iba-iba naman yung sinabi kong dessert. Ina-expect ko na parang super tamis at super tapang na coffee, pero for me, sakto lang. Good luck na lang sa tiyan ko mamaya. Hi guys! So, tapos na akong kumain ng pudding sa Bao. So, nalimutan ko na. Tapos na akong kumain ng pudding and naglipat na lang ako dito around Chinatown. I'm not sure if naririnig nyo ako kasi tinatamad ako buksan yung mic. Wala pa ako parang kasunod na gustong gawin. Kasi parang yung mga nakasave kong spots here around Chinatown. Mga kainan. Wala na ang space yung tiyan ko para kumain. So, I'm just walking around, exploring Chinatown. Maganda guys yung panahon ngayon kasi malimlim and hindi na super init katulad kahapon. Kahit tanghaling tapat, it's around 11 na ata. Check. Yeah, 11 o'clock and hindi super init. Kasi maglakad-lakad pag ganito yung panahon. I recommend you guys a lot, at least half day na mag-ikot dito sa Chinatown kasi maraming kainan dito. So for sure, magugustuhan nyo. And also, Alam niyo naman, usong-uso sa atin yung Binondo food trip. So it's kind of a similar thing since it's also a Chinatown. So marami ditong pasikot-sikot na streets. From Binondo, parang nagiging ano na siya, Divisoria. Hi guys, so I'm currently here in Songwhat Coffee Roasters. So, galing ako sa mismong Chinatown. Konting lakad lang. Actually, hindi pa lang. Pero mga 5 to 10 minutes walk from the main road ng Chinatown. Nakating na ako ng Songwhat. And Songwhat is currently one of the popular streets here in Bangkok. It reminds me of Escolta. So, dito meron tayong Binondo sa Manila, which is our Chinatown. And then, katabi nun is yung Divisoria, which is meron din silang parang Divisoria na part dito. Tapos, pag ilakad mo pa, palapunta sa may ilog, nandun ka na sa Escolta kung saan maraming lumang bahay. And Songwhat reminds me of Escolta because they also have a lot of old buildings around this area na kinonvert nila into shops. And now it's like a very trendy place full of creative spaces and commercial shops and cafes. And ayun, it just really reminds me of Escolta. And then now I'm currently here in Songwhat Coffee Roasters. And I ordered their dirty coconut, which is an espresso mixed with the young coconut milk. Yun yung kaka-explain. Or yung kasulat dun sa mint. Kasi hindi ko lang makailang kape today, but this is currently my second cup of coffee. I'm not sure kung makakailan tayo today. So, let's survive tayo. So, I'm not sure again siya. Good luck sa akin. Let's try this. And we'll see if it's good. So, try na natin. And hindi ko nasabi na for to go sana yung cup, but okay lang. Kasi hindi naman ganun karami yung serving. Sakto lang. And masarap yun yung aircon. Kasi medyo mainit sa labas. So, yun. Sige, let's try. It reminds me of yardstick. Kalasa niyo yung Philwood latte. Yun na lang po ang yardstick. Mayroon din silang siniserve na parang coffee with coconut. Ang sarap. Favorite ko by the way, favorite ko yung yardstick. So, kalasa niya yung yardstick. Sarap siya. Hello! So, I'm currently now in the main street of Songwhat kasi nakikita ko na yung mga shops na nakikita ko online and also the old houses. Ayan. So, as you can see, the old buildings here are converted into shops, cafes, and it really reminds me of Escolta because you know how the First United Building, marami siyang mga creative spaces and shops.
I don't wanna call you later. You're tearing my heart up like it's paper, and somehow you turn to a stranger. We used to work, now I'm trying to make sure that we're both on the same page. I don't want it to complicate. I know you're riding away. Is there room for
the start that you were a waste of an open bar towel, wiping my feet on the doormat. But there's so much of you that I just can't leave. Yeah, nothing makes it clearly when there's love on the line. But I spent time with someone that I don't even like. There's nothing left to fix if you don't want me to try.
Hi guys, so it's currently 1:30 in the afternoon and I decided na mag-lunch na. So, diniretso ko lang yung Songwat Road and then I have this restaurant saved in my Google Maps. It's called Chaoshan Kan Guan. I'm probably butchering that pronunciation. Hindi ko na maalala kung saang vlog or TikTok ko ito napanood. I want to try, actually hindi ko rin alam kung anong food yung gusto kong itry dito. Pag diniretso nyo yung Songwat Road, nasa may dulo na to. And then, I think this restaurant is actually for like families or barkadas kasi malalaki yung table nila. But from what I can see, may mga meron naman silang small servings. Alam nyo guys, yung medyo pakubad na yung damit ko pero sobrang init pa rin. Like, banas na banas pa rin ako. But yes, I'll update you guys pag may order na ako. Hi guys, so dumating na order ko. Bumili lang ako ng seafood fried rice. Kasi hindi ko alam kung anong orderin ko. Ang daming choices. Wala rin English menus. Nagtanong na lang ako kung anong pwede kong orderin. And pinapili nila ako. Sabi ko, I just want a fried rice na kasha for one person. And pinapili nila ako between pork, chicken, and seafood. And I ordered seafood kasi nakapag-pork at nakapag-chicken na tayo kahapon. So maiba naman today. Actually, sana pala parang may binili akong parang ulam. Kaso yun nga, medyo na-overwhelm ako sa menu nila and hindi ako masyado familiar. I also tried na kausapin yung mga waitress. Pero medyo hindi kami magkaintindihan. So sabi ko, sige, fried rice na lang. And hindi pa rin naman ako super gutom. So tara, let's eat! Also share ko lang, something na binago ko for this trip compared to my last solo trip sa Taiwan is that may mga nakasama na sa itinerary ko kung saan ako kakain. Like lunch and dinner. Di walang specific parang kung saan talaga. May choices lang ako. Kasi yung problem ko last time, wala akong nilagay na itinerary for food. For restaurants. Puro cafe. Kape-kape na lang. I made sure na may mga restaurants akong sinama. Kasi nakakalimutan ko talagang kumain. Gala lang ako ng gala. Picture ng picture. Video ng video. Hindi naman kumakain ng matinong meal. So, ako rin yung talo sa huli. So yun, I made sure talaga to allot time to eat. Para mas may energy tayong maggala. guys, so I'm currently here in Taladnoy. This is just a few minutes away from Songwat. Pero kasi bumalik muna ang hotel and then bumalik ako ng Taladnoy. So after ko mag-Songwat, after ko pala mag-lunch, bumalik ko ng hotel and then nagpahinga lang ng konti and then bumalik ako ng Taladnoy. But if kayo Songwat, kaya nyo lakarin or like tuk-tuk para makarating kayo ng Taladnoy. And then marami rin ditong mga sikat spots and shops and cafes that you can visit. This one is called Vantage House. It's like a wooden warehouse na gawaan talaga siya ng mga sasakyan. But they kind of repurposed, hindi naman repurposed kasi it seems like active pa rin yung parang part of the warehouse kung saan sila gumagawa ng or nag-aayos ng sasakyan. Kasi itong Taladnoy, parang it's known to be a area kung saan maraming gawa ng sasakyan. Hindi ko maalala yung tamang term. But yes. So half of it ay gawa ng sasakyan. And then half of it is being used as a store for local crafts and local artists. And then parang may cafe din sila. It really looks nice inside. Tapos kasi parang may parang pocket garden sila sa loob. Yeah, it's worth checking out. And I really love yung vibes mo sa loob. Hello, so now I'm here at Hong Xiang Kong. Hong Xiang Kong. Tama ba? Ito. Sana focus on, no? But yes, this is one of the most famous cafes in this area at Taladnoy. Gets naman kung bakit sila sikat kasi the place really looks beautiful. It's right beside the river. Right now, yung view ko is yung Chao Phraya River. Let me show you guys. I'll just turn this on. Wait, kaya ba? Ayan. Kita nyo na ba? So that's my view right now. And again, walang kamoy-amoy. Tapos meron pang alon. Meron pang parang current yung river. So parang yung sounds parang nasa tabi ng dagat. Okay, back to me. I didn't order coffee kasi nakailang kape na tayo. And also iniwasan ko bumili na may gatas. So sabi ko, bibili ako ng Thai iced tea. Akala ko iba yung Thai iced tea or mali lang sila nabigay sa akin. Kasi yung in-order ko, Thai iced tea. Pero bigyan nila sa akin, Thai milk tea. Pero baka nga isa lang sila. Hindi ko sure. Sarap. Ang saya tumambay dito. Tapos, hindi mainit. Kasi may mga puno sila. So, kahit tirik na tirik yung araw doon. It's currently 5. Nantas pa rin ng araw. Parang mga 3 o'clock lang. I really like this place. Right off the bat. So mahilig kasi ako sa mga antique furniture. And ang dami, meron silang section doon na punong-puno ng antique furniture. And you can also dine there. Also, napakalawak ng place nila ha. So kahit parang dungugin to ng tao na weekend, they'll be able to accommodate their guests. And also, can you guys see yung parang building sa likod ko? Parang, I don't know kung paano nangyari yun, na parang attach yung puno dun sa buildings. Pero basta, ayan o. Like, attach yung roots ng puno dun sa building. Yeah, I'm just gonna chill here for 30 minutes or 1 hour. Enjoy my view. I can see here yung Icon Siam na mall. And doon ako pupunta actually mamaya for dinner. Hindi pa nga ako gutom. But yeah, I'm really happy na I'm here.
Anh chắc idol mô tát turbo bè gym li Megaton. Megaton. I make Megaton automatic bubble bee. I make.
One more photo.
Oh. I don't want to one.
1, 2, 3. Thank you. Kamang ka.
Engine can chop. Money. Number one. Philippines, okay. Philippines, Indonesia,
Malaysia, Vietnam.
Same.
Yes, same.
Same. Singapore, Malaysia.
Same. Hello, so from Talat Noy, naglakad ako papunta dito sa Warehouse 30. It's a collection of shops again. Pero parang sarado na yung iba. Actually, mayroon dong Hey store, kaso magkasara sila ng 7. Kaya kung nahiya na ako pumasok kasi parang 15 minutes na lang closing na nila. And around this area actually, maraming mga shops that you can check. Ang sabi ay hanggang 11 PM daw to, but of course yung mga stores iba-iba ata sila ng closing time. But we'll see. Nakakita na naman ako ng cafe. Tama na sa kape, guys. So yeah, just check which stores are open and I'll bring you guys with me. Hi guys! So, nandito na ako sa Icon Siam. Supposedly, dapat punta ako dito sa food court nila and kakain ng dinner. Pero sa totoo lang guys, hindi pa ako gutom. So, mag-iikot-ikot muna tayo. And, ayun, magpapahintay muna tayo, baka magutom ako. Saka tayo kakain ng dinner. Actually, kwento ko na rin pala. So, di ba galing ako ng photo club sa may Talatnoy area yon. And since nga pupunta ako dito sa Icon Siam, nag-check ako sa Bolt. And medyo mahal siya. Mga 150 baht. Buti na lang, check ko yung Google Maps. And I found out na mayroon palang ferry na specifically yung ruta niya is tatawid lang talaga. So, for 5 baht, nakatawid ako from Talatnoy area. And nakapunta ako sa Icon Siam. Sakto-sakto, tapat lang talaga siya. And now, nandito na ako sa sikat na food court ng Icon Siam. Nakakaloka, ang daming tao. And ayun nga, as I've said, hindi pa ako gutom. So, teka lang, ang daming tao guys. So ayun nga, hindi pa ako gutom. So, maghahanapin ko yung part na may mga shops. Pag muna tayo dito sa food court, medyo na-overwhelm ako sa dami ng tao. I'm currently here sa parang view deck ng Icon Siam. So, pag nasa loob kayo ng Icon Siam, punta kayo sa Apple Store. And then, labas lang kayo ng konti. And you'll have a view of Chao Phraya River. And the building sa kabilang side ng Chao Phraya River. Ang ganda ng skyline actually. And of course, hindi mawawala yung mga river cruise na dumadaan. Ang ganda ng mga ilaw. So, kanina I mentioned to you guys na nag-ferry lang ako para makatawid. So, actually, sumakay ako doon sa may... If you guys can see yung Sheraton, yung pinakamalaking building na yan, yung baba nun is port. And doon ako sumakay. So, 5 baht lang yun. Makakapunta na kayo dito sa Icon Siam. If galing kayo sa part na yun, sa may Talatnoy, River City. Yung River City, alam ko, mall din yun eh. I tried walking around Icon Siam, pero pagod na ako guys. Buong araw ko naglalakad. Wala masyadong kakaibang brands. And wala din naman ako planong mag-shop sa mga brands na meron din naman sa Philippines. But right now, I'm just enjoying the view. Kasi ang ganda. And then, yeah, ang dami palang floors itong Icon Siam. Parang 7 floors siya. Nararamdaman ko na yung pagod. Tomorrow, 8 a.m., meron akong photo shoot sa Wat Arun. Nag-book na ako. I'll be wearing a traditional Thai costume sa Wat Arun. Very turista. Pero sabi ko kasi, you know, as a first time and also as a solo, parang gusto ko lang ng matinong photo for tomorrow. So yun, nag-hire ako for 1,500 baht. I'll talk more about it tomorrow in my vlog. Hello guys, I'll probably end the vlog here. I'm having my dinner right now. Bumili na ako parang seafood or shrimp noodle here sa Sok Siam, which is yung food court na puno-puno ng Thai food here sa Icon Siam. I specifically said na wag yung mahanghang. I think yung tom yung mahanghang eh. Kasi mahina ako sa mahanghang. And parang hindi ko na kayang kumain ng rice for some reason. So I ordered the noodle version.